In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own professional looking logo for your small business in just 5 minutes using this software called Canva. Ready? Let's start. To start designing, you want to go to Canva, and then you just need to sign up. You may sign up using your Google or your Facebook account. In my case, I'm just going to log in using my Google account. To start designing, just go to this button, create a design, and choose the logo template. Let's say I'm going to create a logo for my Facebook page about gaming. So let's say it's a AJ Gaming. So in this left side, we can pick the templates and just search for gaming or gamers, anything relevant to your logo. So let's try this. Let's try game. Ooh, I like this one. Let's start to use this. It's moving, so I just want the logo one. Let's try this other. How about this one? Oops, it's also moving. Let's use this one. Now, everything here is customizable, from the color of the background, from the element and the text. Let's say I'd like it to be more dark blue, since it's my favorite color. So after that, I can resize this. Since this is an AJ Gaming, we can go to elements and go for a logo, and it will suggest some alphabet A. Let's try A. As you can see, Canva is suggesting an A letter that we can use. Let's try this one. Let's try to use that one. So just there. Change the color. We can add some text effects for this too. Let's ungroup this, move it to the side, and rename this AJ Gaming. Right there. We want to use this, let's do that. Let's search for other elements so we can use for our logo. Let's say tech, like this one. It's free, we can use that one. Don't worry. Then you can change the color. And once you're done with that, we can position this and put it at the back. And we can adjust the transparency. Now that's a good looking gaming logo for my Facebook page. Now if you're satisfied with your work, you can just download it, PNG, for a high quality image, and start to download. And there you go. In just less than 5 minutes, we were able to make a professional looking logo wherein you don't have to pay someone the Fiverr to do it for you. Okay, so I hope you start using Canva. There's a link down below. Just sign up. You may try their Canva Pro for 30 days. It's free. You can use their premium features like this one. These are the premium features. Try it, and I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.